What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to be amber deleting everything on my Pontiac Solstice. Alright everybody, so the things that need to be done is I need to take off these side reflectors and replace them with the new ones that I got from Amazon. Link in the description if you want to pick up a pair for yourself. And I also am going to be changing these yellow amber light bulbs to some clear ones. The first thing that needs to be done is I need to take off the bumper so I can get access to those lights and the side reflectors. Squeeze them out. Alright, now that I got the bumper off, now it's time to take off this side reflector here and then this top portion of the fog lights to do the amber deleting. The first thing we're going to do is take off these old side reflectors, which is actually super simple. It's just a push button here. I say super simple as I can get it. Push it down and then it pops out just like that. To do the for your daylight runnings, you just twist it and then pull out. Just pull and press, twist opposite way of lock. Pull out. All right, now for the installation, just find the new side reflector that matches up, and I'm actually gonna do this now.
Nice.
And then install it the way it was, which is there. And that pops right on in. You're gonna still need the light unit from the original reflector. You wanna take the light bulb out, and then put the new LED strip in. And then lock it in. There we go. I'm putting in the Zevo 3157 LED ones. Now you're gonna want to make sure you wear gloves for this because touching the bulbs of your lights can actually ruin them. First, I'm gonna take this one out, plug it in. What you're gonna do is put it in, there you go, and then lock. Now jump over to the other side. And we come down here. Alright, now that everything's plugged in electronically, I'm gonna put the bumper back up against it, plug things in, and then see if they work. So it's supposed to go. Fog light hookups. Alright, now that I have everything locked in and mocked up, let's see if it worked. So it looks like everything's running, that's on, and then it's hard to tell, but if you get in here, that is caused by this. So it does seem to be working. All right, now that I checked everything and it looks like it's all working, I'm going to now officially hook the bumper all the way back up, and then we'll end the video. Alright everybody, that is today's video. As you can see, now that the side reflectors have been amber delete, we went for the smoke black one so they would match the rear reflectors, and if you haven't seen that, there's a link for that video down in the description also. But we did it with the smoked one so it would match the back of the car, and then those now fog lights, running daylights are the LED ones. If you wanted anything in today's video, I will have links for them down in the description to the Amazon links for them. That's today's video. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, put on notifications, share. It would mean a lot to me. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed recently. I have been noticing, so thank you guys so much for enjoying my content and staying around. And if you are new, like I said, subscribe and maybe you'd like it. But yeah, I know that the daylight runnings are kind of hard to see right now. I'll probably try to throw in something. I might throw something in after post to show you guys a better way of how it looks. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.